guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be making homemade snack wraps from McDonald's. So I think I have all the ingredients. It seems pretty simple to make. I've seen a few people make them and I wanted to give them a try for me and my little girl tonight. So let's just go ahead and jump right on into what you need. Okay guys, so sorry for the crappy lighting. I didn't feel like going and getting my tripod and ring light, but the ingredients you're going to need are really simple, about 5 ingredients. So here's what you need. Excuse me, here's what you need. You need tortilla shells of some kind. I just got these street taco ones because that way it wouldn't be as much shell as it would be chicken. So we just got these flour tortillas. You're going to need some ranch. This is just the ranch we have. You can use any kind of ranch that you want, but you do need ranch. You are also going to need lettuce. This is just some iceberg lettuce we have on hand. I'm just going to grate it on my cheese grater. You can also get the pre-shredded bag of lettuce if you choose, but this is just what we have. You also need shredded cheese. We are using mild cheddar, but you can use Fiesta blend, Mexican blend, any blend that you want, sharp cheddar, but we are just going to use mild cheddar cheese. And then of course you need your main ingredient, chicken strips. Now you can get pre-made chicken strips like I have here. I'm just doing this the quickest and easiest way for a quick dinner, but you can make your own chicken strips if you prefer that. I just have this that I picked up for us. So yes, chicken strips. I have the bag open, as you guys can see here. We are going to just pop some of these into the air fryer and get it going. Okay guys, so I got my cheese grater and my lettuce. I'm just going to shred it up into this bowl and move these out of the way. So we're just going to shred our cheese or our lettuce. Okay guys, so it is very hard for me right now because I'm doing this video and then I'm also filming a TikTok for it. But I got our plates, my plate and her plate of course, and now we are going to plate them together. So you're going to start out with your tortillas. I'm going to make myself 2 wraps and I'm just going to start her off with 1. But as you've seen, there are 4 pieces of chicken. So here we are just laying down our tortillas. Now let's add our nice crispy chicken onto our tortilla. Okay, so we have our chicken laid down, and this is actually the perfect size tortillas for this. So next we're just going to add some lettuce onto mine. And I might add a little smidge on hers. As you guys can see, we have our lettuce on. Yes, my hands are clean, but now we are going to add our shredded cheese and top it with our ranch. Okay guys, these are the finished snack wraps. I'm starving, so I'm going to go ahead and probably end it here and then just give you guys a little bit of an update before the video actually fully ends on how good it was. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.